Happening, people? You know what time it is. It's Android time again. And this time, we working on a 2003 BMW 540i with the MSport package. Here's the before look. Stay tuned for the after. All right. The install for this one isn't too difficult. It's just the wiring and figuring out how to make the system work. I didn't show you guys me removing all of the screws under the dash and removing the wood trim in order to get the bracket out that held in the factory radio. I ain't want to bore you guys with that. So we're going to start from right here where I'm already halfway through it. I already wired the system up. It's getting ready to go back in. All right, I'm going to fast forward you guys to this point where I have the system installed. Everything is working. Apple CarPlay. Backup camera. 2003 BMW 540i. All right, so I'm sure you guys can tell that it's nighttime out here. And like I said, installing the radio wasn't that difficult. It's just like all the other ones I do. But getting it to work was the problem. When I tell you I had to spend hours and hours trying to figure this DSP system out, I won't give up though, because I'm going to make it work one way or another. But what I had to do was keep the original radio installed. So as you can see, I have the old radio. I tucked it away in the glove compartment. That's still hooked up. So I literally got 3 radios working in this car right now, just to get the sound out. And also, let me take you guys to the trunk, because I had to do some crazy wiring in the trunk to get this thing to play. So back here in the trunk, this is where the factory amplifier is. So this is the other part of the original radio that goes up front. The amplifier will not work without getting a signal from this radio. So I had to bring this radio in the back, make me a wire harness, wire it into the amp to trick it into thinking I'm still using the factory radio. After all the trial and error and hard work, it was well worth it, because now I have my classic BMW with the same features as the newer BMW. And I gotta have my Apple CarPlay. That's the way I jam my music. So if you got an early 2000s BMW with the DSP system and you want to get your Android upgrade installed, don't call me. I ain't doing it, man. I really don't feel like going through all that again. Nah, I'm just playing. Hit me up. We can get it right. Peace.